Many of us have stood in front of the mirror, noticing new lines and changes in our skin. We're bombarded with anti-aging products promising miracles, but often left disappointed and with irritated skin. This cycle of hope and letdown makes us question if there's a gentler way to care for maturing skin. What if, instead of fighting aging, we embraced it as a graceful evolution? Ayurveda offers a refreshing alternative, focusing on inner balance and well-being, not just surface fixes. It's a holistic, sustainable path that nourishes skin from the inside out. Ayurveda encourages us to celebrate our unique beauty and address root causes, not just symptoms. By returning to nature and simplicity, we can nurture authentic radiance that reflects a life well lived. Ayurveda, the science of life, is one of the world's oldest holistic healing systems, originating in India over 5,000 years ago. It's more than medicine, it's a philosophy for balanced living. Skincare, through this lens, is about diet, routines, stress, and mindset, not just what we put on our skin. Ayurveda empowers us to age with vitality, not chase unrealistic ideals. Its remedies nourish deep tissues, detoxify, and calm the nervous system, creating a natural glow. Modern science now validates Ayurvedic herbs like turmeric and ashwagandha for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. This ancient wisdom, now supported by research, is gaining popularity worldwide for its gentle, whole-person approach. By adopting Ayurvedic principles, we're not just changing our skincare, we're embracing a lifestyle of lasting health and inner beauty. True radiance comes from within. Ayurveda sees each of us as unique, defined by our mind-body constitution, or shaped by three doshas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. Vata, air and ether types have dry, delicate skin that ages quickly and needs deep nourishment. Pitta, fire and water types have sensitive, often reddish skin prone to inflammation and benefit from cooling, soothing care. Kapha, earth and water types enjoy thick, youthful skin but can struggle with oiliness and puffiness, needing stimulation and cleansing. Understanding your dominant dosha is key to personalized skincare. One-size-fits-all products can't address these unique needs. Ayurveda teaches us to balance our doshas for healthier, more resilient skin. By tuning into our constitution, we can prevent premature aging and support natural radiance. Personalized care is the heart of Ayurvedic beauty. Your skin's story is as individual as you are. Ashwagandha, known as Indian ginseng, is a powerful adaptogen that helps manage stress, a major cause of premature aging. Used topically, it's rich in antioxidants that fight free radicals and support collagen. To make a simple serum, mix 1 tablespoon ashwagandha powder with 2 tablespoons of a carrier oil suited to your dosha, sesame or almond for vata, coconut or sunflower for pitta, jojoba for kapha. Store in a dark glass dropper bottle and let infuse for 24-48 hours. Apply 4 to 5 drops nightly after cleansing, massaging gently into your face and neck. This boosts circulation and allows the serum to work overnight. With regular use, skin feels firmer, smoother, and more resilient. Ashwagandha serum is a natural way to rejuvenate and protect aging skin. Consistency is key for visible results. Let your skin soak in the benefits while you sleep. Turmeric is celebrated in Ayurveda for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant powers, calming redness and brightening skin. For a simple mask, mix 1 teaspoon turmeric powder with 1 tablespoon chickpea flour and enough liquid for your dosha, milk or yogurt for vata, rose water or aloe for pitta, water or lemon water for kapha. Stir to a smooth paste. Apply a thin layer to clean skin, avoiding eyes and mouth. Leave on for 10-15 minutes, then gently rinse with lukewarm water, exfoliating softly. Use once or twice a week for best results. This mask helps reduce blemishes and imparts a natural glow. Always use high-quality turmeric to avoid staining. Follow with moisturizer or ashwagandha serum. Enjoy the ritual and the radiance it brings. Sandalwood is revered in Ayurveda for its cooling, calming, and clarifying effects. Ideal for sensitive, aging, or pitta-prone skin. To make a soothing elixir, combine 1 teaspoon pure sandalwood powder with half a cup of steam-distilled rosewater. Let infuse in a covered jar for 24 hours, then strain into a spray bottle. Use as a facial mist throughout the day or as a toner after cleansing. It hydrates, cools, and tightens pores, while the aroma soothes the mind. This elixir is especially helpful in hot weather or for calming redness. Use before applying serum or moisturizer to boost absorption. Choose authentic sandalwood for best results. Enjoy a moment of mindful self-care with each spritz. Let your skin and senses be refreshed. Natural doesn't always mean safe. Always patch test new recipes on a small area first. If you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have sensitive skin or conditions like eczema, consult a healthcare provider or Ayurvedic practitioner. Never apply these remedies to broken or irritated skin. Ayurvedic skincare is about gradual, lasting change, not instant results. Consistency and patience are essential. Visible improvements come with regular use over weeks. Transform your routine into a ritual. Massage with intention, relax during masks, and breathe deeply. Mindful self-care enhances both physical and emotional well-being. You're nurturing your whole being, not just your skin. True radiance is built day by day. Gentle, consistent care is the foundation of lasting beauty. Ayurvedic beauty goes beyond products. Your skin reflects your internal health and daily habits. Eat fresh, whole foods suited to your dosha. Colorful fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats nourish skin from within. Avoid processed foods and excess sugar, which dull the complexion. Hydrate by sipping warm water and practicing Abhyanga, daily self-massage with warm oil, to calm nerves and nourish skin. Try oil pulling to support detoxification and skin clarity. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours nightly and create a calming bedtime ritual. Stress management is vital. Practice yoga, meditation, or even 5 minutes of mindful breathing daily. These lifestyle habits create a foundation for timeless beauty. Small, consistent changes have a powerful impact. Ayurveda teaches that true radiance is a reflection of balance, rest, and self-care. Your daily choices matter more than any product. Embrace these rituals for glowing, resilient skin. We've explored a new path, one that honors nature, your body's wisdom, and the beauty of aging. You don't need to change everything overnight. Start with one nourishing step. Try the turmeric mask, sip warm water, or practice Abhyanga. Choose what feels joyful. Let your skincare become an act of self-care, not a battle against time. See your lines as stories, not flaws. Ayurveda helps you tell your story with radiance and vitality. Embrace this journey with kindness and curiosity. Take your first step today and celebrate the timeless beauty that is uniquely yours.